Please enjoy this math question which demonstrates an application of the hypergeometric distribution. In this question, we have a farm with 11 dogs. 4 of them are male and 7 are female. We pick 5 dogs at random. That's important. We're not specific choosing which ones. What's the probability in that sample of 5 at random? Will there be exactly 2 males? The way this question is wording is exactly what we talked about, hypergeometric. Taking a small sample from a big amount, what's the probability in that sample, a certain number meeting a criteria? And here's that formula once more. And I'm also showing this is different letters to I use part 1 and part 2 of these YouTubes. It's because I don't know if there is a specific rule which letters to use. And I mean, looking online, I've seen different letters. And what I'm going to do is go through each part. First of all, I'm going to even do it right now. There's 11 dogs. There's 11 dogs, of which 4 are male and 7 are female. We're going to pick 5. What's the probability of exactly 2 males? And once again, we're going to, first of all, we're going to take 2 from that group of 4. That's 4 choose 2. And that's the actual, the way of writing it down. That symbolizes it, but the actual arithmetic is 4 factorial over 2 factorial times 4 minus 2 factorial. And you know, there's different ways of doing it. Some people will just jump straight into that. Some will write it that. Some people, depending on your course or who's teaching, write it like that. That's 2 different ways. So here there's no rules about how you do it. And of course, if you're doing a class, in most cases, please do it the way your instructor teaches you, not the way I'm doing it. And that happens to simplify to 6. Now, for those which are not part of the males, you see we're going to pick 5 dogs. If 2 of them are male, that means of the other 7, 3 of them are not going to be male, in this case female. That's 7 choose 3. That's 7 factorial over 3 factorial times 7 minus 3 factorial, which simplifies to 35. And that's why in that fraction, see 6 times 35. There's 6 ways of the 2 males and 35 ways for the other 3 females. And as I said in part 1, it's divided by the number of ways altogether. Altogether, we have 11 dogs. We're going to pick 5 at random. That's ways to choose 5 dogs from 11. That's 11 factorial over 5 factorial times 11 minus 5 factorial. And 11 minus 5 is 6 factorial. I'll plug that into the calculator, get 462. And this is the fraction we have. And that simplifies to 2 decimal points, 0.45. And that's the probability, or it's 45% chance.